Hi guys, another video in our scratch remover mega test. Today is the trusty favourite, T-Cut. Day 4 of our mega test. So in previous videos we've done the G3 for Eclair, Mantis and Turtle Wax products. Today is the turn of T-Cut. So the trusty old favourite T-Cut rapid scratch remover. We can see, again, comparing down onto our control panel, we have induced swirl marks and we have an induced scratch. And in the T-Cut section, we have the same scratch carried on into the T-Cut section and the same induced swirl marks. Let's see whether the T-Cut can do anything on this. So before we start, we've got to go through the packaging. Safely remove swirls and marks from paintwork. Well, that's good because we've got swirls and deeper marks. If it says T-Cut, it works. Use T-Cut Rapid Scratch Remover on car paintwork, enamels, gloss painted surfaces, some plastics, fiberglass gel coat, ceramics and direct painted household appliances. Wash the area to be treated and dry thoroughly. Apply sparingly to the surface and rub in a circular motion until the scratch is removed. Wipe off excess before it dries, and for extra protection, use triple wax car wax. Interesting. Why would we then put a wax over the top of this for extra protection of the repair? Something doesn't seem right there. Maybe this does contain fillers. Do not use in hot conditions or direct sunlight, and do not apply to unsound or freshly painted surfaces. Do not use on glass, vinyl, unpainted or plastic bumpers, car trims. Test on an inconspicuous area. Now again, T-Cut have done well here. A surface scratch is defined on the bottle, is determined by feeling no obstruction when passing a fingernail over the mark, which you can hear we do. We have quite a deep imperfection in this panel, just for test purposes, but we do have another scratch from a different test in this panel here, and this doesn't fail the fingernail test. So well played, T-Cut, for putting this on here. It says if an obstruction is noticed, it will be deeper than the surface scratch, and T-Cut can only help in improving the appearance of this scratch. Okay, let's give this a go. We'll rub it in, we'll give it a good 10 minutes like we have for the others, and I'll come back to you and let you know my thoughts. So initial impressions are that this is very runny in comparison to the others. Some of the others have been really heavy, and this does have quite a solventy smell to it. I haven't noticed any smell on any of the others up to now, but this one, yeah, is definitely noticeable. Definitely more of an old school product, I would say. But I'm going to work this now for around 10 minutes over the scratch and over all the swirls in a circular motion, and I'll come back to you and let you know how we got on. That's now had 10 minutes work time, so I'm just going to buff this off, and then I'll bring you in for a closer look against our control panel. So this is what we started with, our control section, and this is after 10 minutes work time with the T-Cut. It's done a fairly decent job. There was a lighter scratch there. You can just see the remains of that one running down. And there was that little one there that it's done a half decent attempt at. The main deep one, it's diminished the look of that. And from a distance, it's not too bad now. Definitely noticeable up there. Not so much now down here. Yes, you can still pick it up. But again, don't forget, hand application only. And for £4 for 150ml, this is not a bad product to go out and buy and take your choice on. But obviously that's what this mega test is about. We're trying to find the best one of those 8 products that we originally listed in the intro video. But overall, not a bad job compared to some of the rest. So tomorrow we will be unveiling another one of these squares and having a look at another product. I think it's one that you're probably going to want to have a stick around for. It's the Core Pride Scratch Remover Pen. That's going to be in that section there. So let's see whether we can put a pen over that scratch and make any impression on it whatsoever. I think not, but you know, the proof will be in the pudding. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you on tomorrow's video. Goodbye.